Hi guys, it's your girl Luna. In this video I am doing a demonstration of how we clean up a reception area at the end of the day. I just want to preface with this video, I'm doing this at a different clinic because the closing time of my clinic is 7:30, so if I was to set up and do a demonstration and everything like that of that clinic, I probably wouldn't get out of there until like 8:15, and then I wouldn't be home until like 10 o'clock at night. So with that being said, Dr. Amanda, who is my supervisor, has been so gracious to let me use one of the other clinics that she works at for this video. So also on that note, because I've had to come in after hours and everything like that, you can see Dr. Amanda in the background writing notes. I'm also in civilian clothes where I would normally be wearing, my usual scrub tops and non-slip shoes. So for a brief rundown of what I'm going to be doing, I'm going to check the bins, get rid of the mat and replace it with a new one. I'm also going to vacuum and then mop the floors and spray all the surfaces down with F10 mixed at a 1:30 ratio, which is then left to dry overnight. And because this will end up being a very long video, I'm going to speed up as much of it as I can because, we all know how to vacuum and mop a floor, hopefully. And so because it's now after hours, all the rubbish is being taken out, so I'm just going to relay in the bin. Okay, so bin's lined. Now I'm just going to get rid of the mat and F10 all the surfaces. I'm really sorry about the camera angle in this one. This is a very small clinic. This one is where Dr. Amanda does a lot of work with exotics. So the waiting room is only 3 chairs and a weight scale. So yeah, there's not much to it. You can pretty much see the bulk of the reception area here. Okay, so now I'm just going to run the vacuum cleaner around and pick up all the thing. Dr. Amanda had a chicken in that day, so there's a few feathers around. Easy enough. So now I'm just going to give everything a quick mop and that'll be pretty much it. All the F10 can just stay really. I can wipe it off after the 2 minutes, but nobody's going to be here, so it can just dry. So here I am, I'm just going over it. As I said before, the dilution ratio is 1:30 and it just gets left to dry overnight. You'll also notice that I go back over it and just give another round, just with a slightly drier mop. So that's pretty much it. I can go over and mop the floor again with a dry mop and pick it all up, but as I said, it's the end of the day. I'm about to walk out, so don't really need to worry about people slipping over because nobody's going to be here. Have a good day.